guys, before today's video starts, please go down and subscribe. Alright, so what do I have here? This is a sheet of ABS plastic, acrylic, whatever you want to say it is. But I'm going to trace out this door panel, obviously, onto that, and I'm going to make my own door cards for under 80 bucks. Or just at 80 bucks. These were like 43 each. But I was tired of the weight, basically, of this car. I know the door panels add up to about, I forget what it was, 12.8 pounds each. So I took both door panels out. It'll save me 25 pounds. Took out the passenger seat. Passenger seat was 40 pounds. So we're trying to save weight as much as we can. I also took out the crash bars that are inside the doors. Those are also, I believe they were 3.8 pounds each. So basically you save like 10 pounds off of the crash bars. I saved 25 pounds off of the door panels. I saved 40 pounds out of the seat. So in total, I'll throw the number up on the screen, but I think I saved around 75 pounds so far. And I'm still going to end up cutting up some of the metal that's on the door that is not needed for the window mechanism, because I'm not going to go Lexan windows, still street car stuff. But we're going to just cut off all of this excess that does nothing. The only thing that's going to stay is basically where the window mounts to it and the window motor stays. But other than that, everything else can go, and you just mount your door panel or door card to the excess amount of metal. So it's pretty easy, pretty simple. We'll see how this goes. I'm going to make the holes so that my door handle still works. So that'll be nice. Basically, it's pretty simple, pretty easy. Sorry for the glare, but let's get into it. Alright guys, so this is after it's painted and mounted up. I do highly recommend you guys go and get a piece of sheet metal or a real piece of ABS plastic. Do not use acrylic unless you pre-drill your holes before you mount the panel, basically. So if you do that, you won't crack it, you won't have any problems or anything like that. That's just how you work with this stuff. It's pretty durable. I did kick it a couple times, I punched it a couple times. It didn't break, it didn't shatter, nothing like that. Like I said, pre-drill your holes will keep the breaking away. So this is how it looks now with the panel all done. As you can tell, obviously there's no door handle now. There is no window switches. So what I'll be doing is getting like the door handle that they use on like fiberglass doors and stuff like that. I'll throw up the picture of it. But yeah, like I said, I'll be getting a little handle. It'll stick up somewhere around there, and then it just pops up and you just push it over and it opens. Nobody has to control the window on this side. Just need to be able to get in and out, because mainly I never have a passenger in this car. This car is mainly going to be a street strip car, so we don't really have any reason to have that control in this car. So this is how this new door and panel looks. That is what the old door panel looked like. These things, they just weighed a little bit. I'm just going to say they weighed a little bit, so I wanted them out. I really didn't care, didn't like them much. This is how a factory door looks with no panel on it. You can go ahead and just leave it like that. You can buy some Scott Rob Fab panels that cover like 200 bucks. I got 80 bucks into this, and then whatever a can of paint and some self-tapper screws cost me. So I mean, like literally under like 90 bucks probably. So I'm gonna get this one all done and ready. Well guys, as you can see, both door panels are done, or my door cards. I still have to figure out a spot I'm going to put my window switches. It's most likely going to be here on the bottom of the dash. I've already got this hole here, so I could probably fit some window switch there. I'm just going to do the one side because it has the dual switch on the driver's side, so I don't have to worry about doing a passenger side one. That'll be pretty simple, pretty easy. And then a door lock switch, which will also probably go up under there or somewhere in that vicinity. But yeah, I can tell these things need about one more shot of paint pretty easily, and that's about it. Right now I'm just gonna take this thing back home, and that's gonna be the end of this. I hope you guys enjoyed this stuff. This quick little tutorial on how to do your doors and shit. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. I will be getting those race car, the Lexan fiberglass door, door handles, and that'll be it. Got the old factory door panel here. Let's go take it home, and that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Go down, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.